First, dice one onion into cubes. Half a red bell pepper and remove the seeds from inside. It's good to use the red pepper because for the coloring, and cut it into cubes. Use 4 chicken fillets and cut into thin cubes. Grind 5 green chilies and 4 garlic cloves into a paste. Heat the skillet or pan on medium to low heat and add around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Please watch the full video as it really helps out my channel. Don't watch my video on speed and don't skip the video. Once oil is heated, add the onions and cook until a caramelized golden color. Once the onions are tender and caramelized, add in the chicken fillets and cook until white. Add in the paste that we've made from the garlic and chilies, then add in the bell peppers and add vegetables of choice. Over here I've added carrots, green beans, peas and sweet corn. You can add in the amount that you desire. Cook for around 5 to 6 minutes on medium to low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of ground dhania, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of pepper, and you can add in chili sauce. Stir in and cook for around 3 minutes. Pre-boil a small amount of noodles or spaghetti cut or broken into small pieces and add it into the chicken vegetable mixture and stir in well and cook for a better amount of time. Tip: before you add in the spaghetti, make sure your veggies are properly cooked and soft. Add in coriander aka green dhania for garnishing and cook until the dhania is soft. Once it is soft, then your filling for the spring rolls will be ready. Leave it to cool down a little bit before you can start making your spring rolls. Over here I'm using a spring roll sheet that I bought from the store, and I am brushing it with a paste that I've made from flour and water on the edges. Brush it lightly on all 3 sides. Add the filling on the side that you haven't brushed the paste on and fold it over like this, and then in the middle and on the edge again brush with the paste. Then from the side of the filling, making sure to pinch the filling properly so that it doesn't fall out, roll it over The spring roll should look like this. It's tightly sealed and won't come undone when frying. This way of folding the spring rolls is the most easiest way. There is another way of folding it. I will show you in another video of mine. Till then, have a good day. Please share this video with your friends and hit the like if you liked it. And please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.